Welcome back to another video from Cracked Housing Fab. We're going to continue working on our not so simplicity. Today we're going to get the rear control arms put on, get our shock towers built, and we just got our new tires put on.
If you like what we do, please like and subscribe to our videos, and stay tuned to the end of the video for our surprise of what engine we're going to use for not so simplicity. Okay, so the first task that we're going to do today is we're going to get some tabs made up to mount the control arms to. So we're going to have obviously 4 for the top, 4 for the bottom, and so that way we can get all the suspension mounted. That's good. Yep. So we have the tabs all made up. We cut to length, drilled some holes, and measured for the proper distance that we needed here. So now we just need to tack them up and get ready to put the upper A-arms on.
Okay, so we just finished welding the top mounts onto our frame here for the upper control arms. Now we have all 4 of them tacked on, and the suspension actually works very nicely.
And then we couldn't wait to put the tire on, so we'll just go ahead and slide on the lug nuts here, on the wheel studs. Put a couple lug nuts on to see how it's gonna look.
All right, guys, so we got the other side of our suspension welded on. It looks really sweet. Now we're gonna get the shocks mounted up. So we're gonna kind of maybe come up with a little idea here to kind of come up to here, and then put a little cross piece over to the other side and then duplicate what we did here. So it should look pretty cool. We're pretty excited about it.
Okay, so we got all the shock mounts built and everything all tack welded in. It actually turned out really cool. We're pretty excited about it. So we have the tab plates that we made. Got those on. We tacked a piece on top to cover the tube and to make it stronger. But everything looks like it's gonna turn out really sweet. We're super excited about it.
Hey guys, we just finished up our time today on Not So Simplicity. We got the rear end pretty much welded up. Got the control arms on. It's looking pretty sweet. Shock mounts. Looks pretty cool. The project's coming along very nicely. We're really excited. Sean's got some news for us here. The surprise we told you about. Let's pan over to him.
Okay, so we made you wait to the end of the video to show you what's under the tarp. We picked up a YZF 450. Super excited to have this bike. It runs really good. We took it out this morning, rode it a little bit. The motor runs really well. We are very excited to have this. So obviously we're going to disassemble it, take all the pieces we need, put it in Not So Simplicity, and just enjoy it. And if you guys like what we do and you're excited to see this end up in Not So Simplicity, please like and subscribe and look for that in the next video.